What's up everybody, this is Mike, and I think I haven't done one of these in a while. I decided to take you along with me in my car because I'm going to test out some ND filters. Finally, I have some ND filters for my DJI Mavic 2 Pro. If you follow me on Instagram, you might know I got my package from Freewell this morning. So I got the filters here. Oops. I have two boxes of different filters. They go from ND4 all the way up to ND64. So of course I will not be using all of them, but depending on the light conditions on the place where I'm going, we'll see which one is good to be used, and I'll compare them and show you the difference with and without the filters, because I think it really makes a massive difference. Now that we can control the aperture of the Mavic 2 Pro, it really makes a huge difference if you're using f11, which is really soft and kind of blurry, and f2.8 or f5.6. I think the sweet spot is between f4 and f5.6. So I will be trying to figure this out with the help of these filters. I'm really excited. I cannot wait to test those out. And I'm coming back to a favorite location of mine. If you have been watching my channel, you probably will recognize this location because I had some really interesting things happening to me over there, and I think I have some unfinished business on that location. I will roll the clip so you can familiarize yourself if you are not aware of this place, but this is where I crashed my DJI Mavic Air. Roll the clip. So yeah, that's the place. I really love that place, but it's a bit too far from my home. But anyway, I think it's worth it. So I'll be focusing on driving right now, and I'll see you when I get there. Before I get to the point where I show you the filters in action, let me show you how they look like and how to install them, because it's a bit tricky. So like I mentioned, the Freewell all-day 8-pack filters come in two different boxes. One holds the polarized filters and the other one is with the regular filters. What I really like is that you can easily find which filter is which, because the number is visible on the bottom of the filter and you don't need to take it out like before, which not only saves you time when you have 8 filters, but also prevents you from smudging the glass on the filters if you constantly get them in and out of the box. So if you know which filter you're going to need, it's easy for you to take it out and use it. But using the filter is not as easy as before, unfortunately. Unlike the filters on the other DJI drones that we have seen so far, those do not simply screw on or off, you have to twist them to the side instead, and the whole procedure is a bit nerve-wracking to me, and I'm sure I'll get used to it, but for now I don't really like the whole process, and I almost feel like I'm going to break the gimbal every single time I install a filter on it. Once you do have the filter installed though, the gimbal works just fine and the drone starts up the same way. Now that I've shown you how the filters look like and how to install them, let's get back to the video and see them in action. So I finally arrived at the place. It's a late afternoon, the sun is going to go down in maybe an hour and something, so I still have an hour and a half to film. It's a bit windy, but the location never, and I mean never, disappoints. It's just so good looking. I think I will be able to film during the golden hour, even though there are a lot of shadows, but still the place is amazing. So now I'll set up everything and I'll show you a shot without the ND filters and then a couple of shots with the ND filters. So let's go. Right, so just got done filming. I'm freezing, really freezing. It became really cold really quickly. But anyway, even after just seeing the results on the screen of my phone, I have to say I'm really impressed, and it's really cool to have ND filters to use with the drone. Finally, I'm able to dial down the shutter speed and use the right aperture with that drone. So I'm really happy. Of course, I still haven't tested all of the filters, so I will be doing that in the future days, but I have to say I really like the results so far. It's a huge pain in the ass to install those filters. I really don't know what the DJI was thinking when they were doing the gimbal design. The filters are really difficult to place properly, and I'm sure many people will be breaking their drones by trying too hard and pushing too hard when installing those filters. So be careful, be aware that it's a bit tricky, but hopefully you guys will be fine. With that being said, I am now going back home. I'm exhausted but very happy with the work that I've done, so hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Please hit the like button if you did, subscribe if you want to see more Mavic 2 related videos, and I'll catch you in my next one. Ciao.